So it comes out of there, goes down through here, and then, oh, sharing shifts for gold. Look at that. Nothing. So, for the last 2 days, we've been chasing waterfalls. I think we finally found one. So we've showed you this little shower we use. Well, this is our shower tent. It says it's a pop-up tent made by Vingley. It's a 2-room. We use this room right here for showers, and this room right here we use for getting dressed or makeshift porta potty. So very durable. We've had that over a year and it still looks brand new. So if you're interested in it, be a description in the link. Check it out and help us out. Vingley shower tent.
Oh my God.
That's our view.